Welcome, today I'm with FairPhone 3 and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on this smartphone. So, at the first you have to prepare the good source of light, because you will find on your screen probably a lot of fingerprints and other greasy marks. So it will be very good if you spot all of them, because we have to remove them from the screen. So yeah, let's start, and we have to open the tempered glass box, and inside we'll find these two wipes. And with the wet one we are going to remove all of these fingerprints and the greasy marks. So let's open this one at the first. So we can make moves in the circle. You have to remember just to reach a very corner and edge. Okay, and take a look right now. As you can see, we easily remove all of this messy stuff from the screen. So next we have to remove this wet marks from the display, and we can make it by using this dry wipe. So we just do the same. And there it is. Right now we have to grab our tempered glass, remove this sticker, this back sticker, right now we have to take a look one more time on your display and be sure that there is no any piece of the dust or something like that, because when we leave something on the screen and apply on it the glass, we will get air bubbles. In my case everything is fine, so I can start with applying tempered glass. At the first you have to keep holding the bottom part. Try to put it evenly for the both edges, it's important. Okay, when you finally make it, you have to put your finger here and then release the bottom part. Take a look right now, it will go automatically, you don't even have to press on your screen, but for sure you can make it a little bit faster when you swipe like that. And there it is. As you can see, we easily apply this glass on the screen. As you can see, it's a little bit too small, but I have to get used to it, unfortunately. And you can spot right here this kind of the marks. As you can see, it's not on the glass, it's under, and it's the glue marks. And to remove them, you have to simply press like that. Take a look, it disappears. So when you have these marks on the screen, under the screen, you have to simply press and you will remove them very easy. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, and as you can see, right now it's finished. And we can use our smartphone right now. There is no any problem with the touch interaction. So basically that's how you can apply the tempered glass on your FairPhone 3. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.